Hello. I try to keep videos short. Sometimes I can't. This video is going to be a mix of familiar, because I had another video with many of them, as well as newer cooking appliances, new to me. In response to requests, I have included the impact on my portable power station when it's not hooked up to a solar panel on the roof or the portable one I carry. Few of the clips have a starting percentage of 100% because I needed to give the portable power station a bit of a charge between items that I'm showing. As I was trying to do most of this video in one day, the weather's been against me. Instant coffee or my French press. Gluten-free pancake mix. It makes waffles too. And what I use to pour it into the different appliances I'm going to show you. I only heat these to about 400 watts. And it says it's ready to use. I got this toaster at Walmart a couple years ago. Power supply is at 96%. Frozen strawberries, oat milk. This is at 98%. We're going to make some egg bites. The silicone mat is only because I wanted this level for the video. The egg bite maker comes with a large silicone cup as well as the small ones. I freeze things, like soup. It also has a steam hole, which is something I forgot to mention. Chicken soup with noodles. The soup is hot. The pot is not. See? No. It doesn't get hot. An ice storm is starting, so I have an umbrella. I'm starting this sandwich at 91%. This has a drip tray, and underneath there's also an adjustable height. This is why I usually have the doors open. But I always subsidize either with a solar panel on the roof or the portable solar panel. So starting at 95%. This is for lunch. In 3 or 4 hours, lunch will be ready. So just put the box in, close this, plug it in. Lunch is on the floor. Hot food, ready to eat. So it's plugged in right there. And in about 20 minutes, I'll have boiling water. Well, almost boiling. Don't worry about the color, it's blueberry tea. If you like this video, and I hope you do, please subscribe if you haven't already, share it, and give it a thumbs up. Your support makes a difference to help the channel reach a wider audience. And again, thanks for watching.